Welcome, little explorers, to a magical journey into the world of plants. Today, we're going to uncover the secret recipe for making plants grow big and strong. Are you ready? Great. Let's dive in. Imagine you're stepping into a garden filled with colors and wonder. What do you see around you? That's right, it's a world of plants. But wait, do you know what these amazing plants need to grow? Let's find out together. First things first, plants need a big gulp of water. Just like you and me, plants get thirsty. So, let's pretend we're raindrops falling from the sky. Can you make the sound of rain with your fingers? Pause, splish, splash, drip, drop. Ah, the plants are so happy. Now, what else do plants need? Oh yes, they love to soak up the warm sunshine. It's like a big, cozy blanket for them. Can you stretch your arms up high to feel the imaginary sun? That's it. The plants are basking in the sunlight, growing taller and taller. But hold on, there's more to the plant party. Plants also need to eat yummy food from the soil. Let's dig down into the dirt with our pretend shovels. What do we find? Nutrients. These are like superhero snacks for the plants. Can you munch on your superhero snack? Munch, munch. Now the plants are getting super strong. Ah, our plant friends are dancing and swaying with joy. But wait, there's one more thing they need. Can you guess? That's right, it's a breath of fresh air. Just like you take deep breaths, plants breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. Inhale deeply, and exhale with a big whoosh. Great job. So, there you have it, little adventurers. Plants need water, sunshine, nutritious soil snacks, and a breath of fresh air to grow big and strong. Isn't nature amazing? Keep exploring the magical world of plants, and remember, you're a plant growing expert now. Until next time, happy gardening. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.